Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic operation. It is very simple expression and which contains basic mathematical operations just like a plus, minus and divide and multiply. So here we have to solve this using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. We have four answers. A is 2, B is 6, and C is 15, and D is 12. So we will solve this expression and find out which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's start the topic. Now, just recall that what is BODMAS and PEMDAS method. Basically, these two rules apply to solve any arithmetic operation which contains the basic operation just like plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Here we have some rules in BODMAS and PEMDAS. Basically, B is stands for bracket, which means that either you have the rounded bracket, curly bracket, and square bracket. If your expression has any parenthesis or bracket, so you can solve that part first. Then after that, you have to solve the exponent like any number has power. So you have to solve that part after the bracket. Similarly, then for division and multiplication, so you have to go left to right in that expression and find which operation is coming first. Either multiplication is coming or division. So if you have the division first, so you have to solve the division first. And if you have the multiplication first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Don't worry to like you are using the PEMDAS or BODMAS method. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. You have to go left to right. And if your expression does not have any division and multiplication now, so you have to solve the addition and subtraction. If subtraction is coming first, so you have to solve first subtraction. And if addition is coming first, so you can solve the addition first. So now let's move to the expression. As you can see, like we have parenthesis 4 plus 5 multiplied by 2. And here we have the implied multiplication, which means like it does not show the multiplication sign, but these two terms are multiplying each other. And minus 6 divided by 2. So now we have to solve this part. Basically, as you can see, BODMAS and PEMDAS, basically we have to solve first the bracket, or you can say the parenthesis first. So now we have to solve in our expression this part first. So we will write like 4 plus 5 is 9. And here we do not have any multiplication sign, but here we have the implied multiplication. So we will write multiply sign. And after that 2 minus 6 divided by 2. Divided by 2. And here we will give the reference like this part we are solving first. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Now, we do not have any parenthesis right now in our expression, so we can move forward. Like we will see order of operation, or you can the exponent. So fortunately, our expression does not contain any power and any number which has the power. So now we will move forward and see the division and multiplication. As you can, like I told you, like you have to go now left to right. You have to move left to right and see like which operation is coming first. Either you are using the BODMAS or PEMDAS, so you can solve first operation. So here we have the first operation is 9 multiplied by 2. So we will solve this part first. So 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 18. And again, we will write other part as it is. And here we will give the reference. So 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18, right? Now, move forward, left to right, and again, now we have the 18 minus 6 and 6 divided by 2. So in if you see like left to right, so you can say like I will solve 18 minus 6. No. Using PEMDAS and BODMAS method, you have to solve first the division and multiplication. So if your expression has any multiplication and division sign, so you have to solve first that part. So this part we will solve first. Now we will move like this. 18 minus 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. And here we will give the reference 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. Now we have only two terms, which is 18 minus 3. So we will just write 18 minus 3, which is equals to 15. So the answer of this question is 15. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and get the correct result. So if you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.